In 1987, the most brazen vault heist in British history happened right under everyone's noses. The Knightsbridge Safe Deposit Center seemed secure enough. Private vault, wealthy clients, expensive jewelry, and cash locked away. Valerio Vici had a different plan. He rented safe deposit boxes like any normal customer, spent months studying every detail of the vault's security. On a busy Saturday morning, Vici and his team hid inside the vault, waited overnight in complete darkness. When staff opened Monday morning, they were taken hostage. For hours, the thieves methodically drilled open 120 safety deposit boxes. 60 million pounds in cash, gold, and jewelry vanished. Vici escaped to South America, the perfect getaway, but then he made the dumbest mistake possible. He flew back to London to pick up his Ferrari. Airport security arrested him immediately. The sophisticated heist exposed a shocking truth. London's private vaults had virtually no oversight. Vici got 22 years in prison. The stolen goods? Most were never found.